we're going to talk about the cylinder, lateral and total surface area. We are going to look at a cylinder here. And you notice it's a little different from our rectangular prism. Think about how it's different. Let's take the net out. You see when we unfold it, this becomes rectangular and your bases are two circles. So if we're going to find all this surface area, we're going to have to get a rectangle in there somehow and two circles. Let's see how this works with our formulas. This is like yesterday. You should have the notes that look like this. We're continuing on with this. So I have one already done for us, and I'm going to talk us through it. I'm going to show you the answer, and I'm going to show you me doing it again. I need my formula. This is now on cylinders, and I'm going to do lateral. S equals 2 pi RH. So I'm going to write down S equals 2 pi RH. And then when we do the total, it's 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R squared. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down. You're just writing formulas where you're going to substitute numbers. So there's a couple of things we have to find out here. We have to find out a radius and a height. Now in my picture, they give me the diameter, so I divide that by 2 to get my radius of 3. I write it right here. My height is 10. This is all I need to substitute into this formula. So watch how I do it. S equals 2 times pi. We know pi. R is 3. 10 is H. This is menu 3-1. S equals comma S. Then you get your answer. You should get 188.5 inches squared. Remember, you can pause this at any time and go over what you need to go over. Now let's look at the total surface area. S equals 2 pi. R is 3. H is 10. Plus, keeps going. This is the basis. 2 pi R squared 3 squared. Okay, you should get for this one a total of 402.1 inches squared. Please label the unit. I want you to know that on the total, this pi R squared in the formula is the area of the circle. Why do you have the 2? Because you have 2 circles. When you take the circumference, which is round like this, and you open it up, look how it becomes like a rectangle. So the circumference times the height figures out this rectangle. So that's kind of how it works, and we'll talk about it more. Review this if you need more help. Thanks.